Friends, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, dislike and share. Friends, in this series of video I want to share with you how I make the most delicious, we call here in Philippines at Bisaya dialect, manok, tinula manok. Bisaya tinula manok. That means native chicken soup. Let's start. Filipino they call llami kayo. Let's start. In first video I will show you how I cut the chicken in pieces. Today morning I was in a market. I ordered one live chicken. They cut for me. Now I will show you how I cut in the pieces, step by step. Please watch all the videos till the end. You will see the result. Let's start. We get the chicken. First we cut the feet. Look all the time on the joints, because I don't like to have the small particle of bones. That's why I cut all the time on the joints. Okay. My beloved one, she'll love this tinula, this soup. Now we cut this part of the leg. All the time look on the joints all the time. So you're not gonna have any small particles of bones that will, when you eat the meat, you have a problem with your teeth. You go this, also the joint, see? Joints all the time. Also the wings. Neck also look for the joint. If you cannot find the joint, try to, from first time to push the knife to don't make any small particles of bones. That is not pleasant in a teeth. Okay, the second feet. Again, we go to the joint. Again, go to joint. If you like, you have more peoples who gonna eat this soup, you just cut the wings like that. See? Please also clean this, because this one was a roaster. Clean this part I don't like this to be in my food. Okay. Now we cut this part. That's it. It broke. When we broke, we don't have any small particles of bones. Now we cut the breast and the backbone. It's very soft bones here, can be cut very easy, like that. Also cut here the joint. All the time look for the joints, and you're gonna enjoy to eat the meat when it's done. Okay. I also cut the breast because it's very big breast. See? Like this. One time. Never do twice, because when you do twice, you're gonna have a small particles of bones, and if you have a children or you have a not very strong teeth, you're gonna have a big problem. So one time and everything is done. Okay. We are almost done. The same with the feet. You get this one like that, like this. Be careful with your fingers. Knife must be very sharp. Yet other wing also cut like this. Here is the way how I do with the head, because I always tell to the butcher to cut the head separate. Okay, here is the throat. We throw it out, throw it away. Friends, here is our chicken, ready pieces. Now I'll go to wash, now I'll come back, and I'll explain what I do next. Just continue to watch. Thank you. Friends, I'm back. Friends, now I want to share you some tips. See, the meat now look clean. It looks clean, but for us, in order to have the crystal clear bouillon, I do this thing. Now I get all this piece of chicken. I change the basin. The meat only looks clean, but it still have like some particles of blood, something there. What can create the foam, and the bouillon is not gonna be crystal clear. But I like the bouillon to be crystal clear. It's very, very presentable and very delicious. So you get the meat. And after you get this meat, we change the basin. Everything's clean. Now we do this thing. I have here boiling water, one water heater, boiling water, and I will pour this water on top of our chicken. And you will see what will happen. The chicken look like clean, everything okay, but look how the water changed the color. Look how the water changed the color. When water changes the color, that means after this we're gonna we'll leave in this water for 10 to 15 minutes. See how the water changed the color? See? We leave in this water for 10 to 15 minutes, and next I will show you how to prepare see, I forgot to get the throat from the neck. Okay, I get it. Now friends, thank you for watching. In next video I'll show you how I prepare the meat and put to boil all the ingredients. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share or dislike. Again, thank you very much and have a blessed day. God bless you.